Annie, you don't think anyone's going to find that? What about when I pick up the bags? Oh, here comes Emma. Yeah, you'll find it, won't you? Annie, where is it? Annie, where is it? Emma's going to find it. This little booger's going to eat it on you, guaranteed. You better pick it up. You better get it, Annie, before Emma does. She's going to find your treat. Oh, you're going to scare her away. Oh, you two are too funny. These are my two girls. What's in here, Annie? What's in here? Huh? Stop. Annie. Banana. Let's see if this is in here. Can I find it? Oh, there it is. I think I found something here. Here, Annie. Annie. You better hide it somewhere else, kid. Go ahead. Go put it in your bed. Go put it in your bed, Annie. Go. Annie, go. Go put it in your bed. Go. Go put it in your bed. That's a good girl. Go put it in your bed. Go, Annie. Annie, go put it in your bed. Good girl. Family roll on.